Welcome to my YouTube channel. Well, this channel was created to enable people to have financial freedom by learning different ways to make money online in 2022. To further support this channel, please subscribe and leave a like button to my videos. Well, today we would be looking at 3 new ways to make money online 2022. Stay tuned because you would not want to miss the last part. Start your own website. If done right, websites can bring in a lot of money. There are several ways to monetize a website. Accepting paid ads is the easiest way to generate an income, although you'll have to demonstrate high website traffic to make money from ads. Another way is to create a membership site, where you offer some information or content for free and premium content for paid members. First off, you'll need to create a website. A popular and simple way to make a website is to use Webflow, which also offers an added membership plugin should you wish to monetize your website that way. To boost your website's traffic and search engine ranking, you should be familiar with SEO and understand how it can help increase traffic to your site. Once you're achieving consistent website traffic, you can start making money from advertisements. Become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is a sales technique used by companies to increase their brand exposure and to generate more traffic to their website. Becoming an affiliate marketer is an easy way to earn money, particularly if you already have a significant online presence. Your role will be to endorse a product or service in any way you like on the internet and provide an affiliate link to the merchant's website. Any sales generated through your link will earn you a commission. Affiliate marketing is a no-brainer for brands and businesses as a marketing method, as it generates sales they wouldn't otherwise receive for a comparatively small price. It offers enormous potential for growing brand awareness and expanding the target audience. Many brands give out affiliate links to social media influencers, who will endorse a product on their Instagram profile or YouTube channel, for example. For individuals with large followings, it can be a lucrative way to earn money. With that in mind, the best way to earn a significant income through affiliate marketing is to grow your audience. You can reach a broad audience through a blog, website, or your social media accounts. Affiliate marketing is an ideal moneymaker if you already have a website with high volume traffic. To help you more in your affiliate marketing journey, I suggest you invest in online courses and ebooks. By the way, I would leave an ebook link in the description below, that would help you with all you need to know to get started in affiliate marketing. I also promise to post more videos on this channel educating people on affiliate marketing as well. Start a clothing brand. For fashionistas and talented creatives, starting a clothing line is a fun way to earn money. You can get a clothing line off the ground with as little as £200, and there's no better way to reach prospective customers than by selling online. To minimize your startup costs, start your business off with a print-on-demand model. Printing to order is an excellent method for people to get going with a low budget, as a third-party company will only produce your clothing when you receive an order, preventing the need for large orders or the need to store vast amounts of stock. A downfall of this method is lower profit margins, as prices for one-off items tend to be higher than for bulk orders. To reach a wider audience, host your clothing store on platforms such as Shopify and Printful. They'll also take care of much of the business side of things. Thank you for watching this video today. I really hope you got some insights from it. And you can start making some money for yourself in 2022. Hope to see you in the next video. Make sure to leave a like and check the description below, also comment down below your best method. Bye for now.